Are you suffering now? Or maybe you've been through the story of hardship that you could write a book to sell. But now, at this moment, what are you doing? Are you clinging to suffering? Why can he or she do this to me? What is life like this? You spend a lot of time trying to find happiness for yourself, escape from suffering. But you know, as long as you can feel happy, you also can feel suffering, like the sun and the moon. You stay at the sun or the moon all day and night. It's the same, because it's normal for your life to go through many different experiences, both happiness and sorrows, or nothing for some people. For you to decide which path to choose. When taking a shower or drinking water, do you have to hurry to recycle that water? You just let it flow to purify or complete a certain experience. Don't waste your time on suffering. When someone invites you to do the mindfulness meditation, why not waste time on that, even though it can help you? Stay in the comfortable position. You can sit or lay down on the ground. Try to close your eyes and let your emotion float. Let's focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in. This is the oxygen that enters your body and mind. Keep yourselves and yourself alive. You're born. Take a deep breath out. You breathe away from your body. For a while, you die. You are born and died all the time, even for a while. If you say that, you will not waste your time on suffering. Find good energies for yourselves. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Eat in moderation. Live with nature in order to have immunity against both darkness and light that circulate in your life. Nature bless you.